We are on a mission. We are on a mission for the sea, for the ocean, yeah? We want you to donate a little bit of your money for our little trash collecting ship, the Sea Hamster, yeah? It goes out into the rivers, picks out the plastic trash, brings it on land, there the stuff gets recycled. So, please, 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 everybody who hears this message from the Lord, please, yeah, donate some money for the Sea Hamster. That would be fantastic. So I feel good, the way that I should, and you should donate.
Yeah, you can charge it up, yes.
That's cool, thank you very much.
You are German?
Yes, from Hamburg.
Ah.
You've been to Germany?
No, but I have learned German here in Estonia.
In Estonia at school?
Ja.
Okay.
Und beim deutschen Fernsehen auch.
Beim deutschen Fernsehen?
Ja.
Ist das deutsche Fernsehen besser als das estonische Fernsehen? Ja?
Ja.
Ja? Ja?